Welcome to part 2 of Hoover Dust Manager saga. Let's start cleaning it up. We'll start by having a bit of a go at cleaning this up with my old Sebo X1. That cleaned up well. Hang on, let me just check there's a bag in this. Yeah, there is a bag in it. I was going to say, couldn't remember if I fitted a bag or not. Hang on. Sorry to put the bag back on now. Right, there we are. Cool, now let's unblock the hose, which you won't really be able to see it getting unblocked because the blockage is just loads of grit, but you'll maybe hear it. So the hose appears to be airtight, which is good. Let's be able to dust the thing off a bit because it's very dusty. Let's see what we can do. I don't know if you quite caught that, but I think it's pulled our blockage out. Oh no, it hasn't quite yet pulled out. Let's see if we can give it a bit of... Oh yeah, there we are. That's it clear. Never had a pure power or anything apart from that blue one. I had a purple dust manager, similar style to this, but I had a purple door in it, but that was scrap, so I just took the tools off it and binned it. In fact, I'll give the bag door a quick little dust. I think I will actually adjust you a little bit while we take a look inside the bag chamber. Bag chamber, haha. Bag chamber, lol. It's actually a bagless chamber. Get it right. So let's have a look. Very dusty. can't even see it. One thing I did happen to notice is that whilst giving the hood a quick dust, is there's muck starting to come out there. So this filter probably needs a bash outside first, to be totally honest with you, because it's really caked. So I'll just go and do that, and probably have to shut the door after. Deary me, it is caked, so caked. I don't know whether to use that foam sponge is a bit past it. I'll better go bash this again before I even put it near the seal. Still billowing out dust, but suppose I'll go down and do it with work Henry. Actually, the reason I'm not using work Henry up here is he's fine, it's just he's all wrapped up neatly and I couldn't be bothered getting him down. Miserable person I am. Bear with me a minute. The result is not great, to be honest. Still looks really dusty, but better than nothing. Now as for a filter there, I think it should have one, but I'm not so sure, but I'll put one in. I knew I had one. Now, which side goes to the top? Is it blue or black? I think it's black, blue. Let's give it a quick vacuum off. I did wash it, but that was last year, so. Okay, let's just pop that in. Now, it might not be designed to have one, because that plus that is going to restrict airflow big time. But I'm only going to put this bit back in just now. That's still caked with dust, so it's hardly clean, is it? Now this is absolutely caked in dust. Quite what to do to remove and clean. Ooh, this is caked. Right, this is our job for work, Henry. I'll have to tip that outside though, hang on. It was just full of grit, although I see one issue. That in the bottom there looks like it's crusted, encrusted, whatever. Just gonna vacuum this all out, bear with. This machine is definitely designed with the user in mind. It's the most serviceable thing ever. That's all crusty, but oh well. So we'll have to pop our little filter thing back in. And that really is it. It's not much of a cyclone, is it? Right, that goes on like that. I don't expect it to sound great. Don't even know how to put this on properly. This dust box on. Right, let's adjust you up again. After every 5 empties, you should wash the blue top filter and foam filter. Wow, I don't think that's really ever been done on any dust manager. Oh, I suppose it just kind of sits in place. Okay, that's really simple. Probably the only thing simple about this machine to service. Obviously not. That's oh no, there is. Right, I suppose better take the hood off, which I guess is those 2 screws. Again, haven't really ever had to do one of these. Never really had one. Don't even know anyone who's got one. They're all moving on to much better things than pure powers. Let's presume it's a Phillips screw, otherwise that'll be a bit embarrassing. Well, screw is utterly disgusting, so the screwdriver isn't biting. Yep, that was satisfying seeing all that dust lift out. Oh, much better. See that? I think this has been wet. Well, I did say it was wet when I got it. It was damp. It was just a wee bit damp, so I think it's also been stored in a damp place. Changing rooms are probably quite damp. And this reclining thing really doesn't work unless you pull it. Ah, right, okay. Let's take a couple photos of that. Did I do it? Did I just press that? Alright, there we are. That just lifts off. Wow. Wow. Oh, there goes our height adjustment thing. I'm guessing I'll just sit in. Wow. So it's about to clean this up. This is going to be really satisfying. Some folk really like this kind of thing, so you ready? Just wow. Wow, now that brush roll is quite jammed. I'm presuming it'll just lift out. It's going to be a long one, this. Come on. Yeah, there we are. Right, it's prized the bumper off. But that can just be snapped back in. Have I just broke it? No, I don't think I have. Right, that is disgusting. This is as well. These big... oh yeah, they come off. Oh, yep. Yep. That's exactly what we need to do. Let's keep cleaning this up. My SIBO will probably be dead after this. Oh, doesn't look too bad internally. Right, okay, time for the brush roll. Let's just give it a bit of a vacuum out. Okay, let's just pick some of these hairs off. I suppose there's not a huge point, is there? I'll just give it a quick vacuum off and just leave it. Right, I suppose pick some of these end ones off and start putting this brush roll back together. I don't know where each... that's caked in dust, but give this a bit of a clean. Brush roll looks fine, but the belt will most definitely need replacing, but that's something I tend to do as standard. Right, which side does that one go in there? I don't actually know if it matters. I think it might matter actually. Right, let's pop our end caps back on. Spins free enough. This belt is past it, but we'll refit it just now. And we'll do... let's put that belt back on. It's got the tiniest little ounce of tension left in it. Centre it up. Oh, that just slips. Right, that's not going to work, but oh well, just a test run really. Let's see what's the right way for that. Like that. Make sure our seal's back on for this hood. Sealing all that suction, you know. Plenty of suction on these, like. Right. Oh, let's make sure we put it in properly. really miss, in a way, my old phone because I could pause on it, pause videos on it. That was really handy for moments like this, especially in long videos like this where it's dragging on. I'm going to have to move you for a moment and vacuum this carpet before I go kneeling on it. Let's see what. Right, let's see. Can't seem to get us to sit properly. Let's recline it actually. Recline button really doesn't work. Right, there we are. I think I may have. Oh, there you go, here's some more filth. I suppose we'll need something to vacuum up, eh? Grooming brush with edge cleaning. Well, I don't think it will do much grooming in its current state, but oh well. Let's get that back on there. Let's see if we can get that to just slot in like it should. Right, I think that's maybe as good as we're going to get. Let's just put the screws on. And we'll put our other screw in. Right. I think we've got to turn it on outside with no filters or anything. Start cleaving the motor a bit. Slightly scared to put it on with this really disgusting filter. I could have actually washed it, to be honest, because it's not like that height knob's not in properly. I think that's not it. Can't get this height knob in now. Such a fiddly job this. As I say, it's clearly designed to be user serviced. Alright, there we are. That's the height knob out. Right, let's turn it on outside. So I will just basically walk outside, flip the switch, leave the vacuum out, then come and plug it in. Right, it'll probably be quite noisy. Well, you're a wee bit away from the door and right at the door. I'll tell you if I'll let you see it. It's a bit manky out here, actually. This is the part of the garden nobody ever goes. Just roll away. Quite a lot of dust there. Right, now that's better. But one thing I'm noticing is a bit of a burny smell. A bit of a motory, well, not a motory smell as such, bit of carbon smell going on there. But can't really, I don't know how good or bad that motor will be. I don't know if we can service it and make it sound better, or maybe it'll just be a case of find another dust manager and make one into two. But I think that bagless box is on. Yep, I think it is. I've got both those disgusting filters in there, so it probably will blow dust out again. But our post-mortem filter cleaned up really well. It'll not do much grooming, obviously, because no well, there is a belt, but zero tension on it. There we are. And let's plug our hose in. Can't actually believe I'm going to turn it on, my word. Probably turn it on that side first while the disgusting filters are in. Hose is hefty, weighs quite a lot. But I'll leave the rest of the tools off of it. Pick the SIBO up. Put it off one side. Right. What we're going to do, well, I suppose there's not much we can do apart from put it on out here. Right, let's try it. Sounds quite bad. Bet that little filter we put in has caked itself with dust already. Oh. Not bad actually. So we'll just give it a brief little test and we can finally end this. It's not really a video anymore, it's more of a feature film. I never know if that's on right or not. Let's just hope it is. Hope for the best. Oh, the bag doors are upside down. Right, okay, let's put it onto low carpet mode. And then I'll just kind of push it round a wee bit. Won't do much. Quite apprehensive about this. Let's see if I can get the release pedal down. Right, let's do it. Seems to run alright, but obviously that belt is just knackered. Better not do the regular thing because that will just not go down well. I'll just move this cable a wee bit. Just going to vacuum around a bit more. Suction is awful, but that's not really too surprising. Thank you for watching. If you made it to here, you need to get out more. That's a bit rude saying that, so you're very patient. Thanks for watching.